Have you ever felt like your brain is stuck on the wrong channel? I know I have. It's like when you're trying to watch a show, but the screen is full of static, and you can't see clearly. Your thoughts are there, but they're blurry and mixed up. What if you could tune in your mind anytime you wanted, so your thinking felt sharp and focused? Today, I'm going to share 10 simple, doable steps to clear thinking that you can start using right away. But before we delve in, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more helpful videos about the mind, growth, and living better. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Take a walk. One of the easiest ways to clear your mind is to go for a walk. Moving your body helps your brain relax and think better. When you walk, blood and oxygen flow more smoothly, and your mind starts to feel lighter. Even just a short walk outside can refresh your brain, giving you an instant boost. You don't need a study to prove it. Try it for yourself. The next time you feel stuck, stand up, step outside, and take a walk. Step 2. Stay away from sugar. Have you ever eaten a sugary snack, like a donut, and then tried to think or focus later? Chances are, your brain felt slow and fuzzy. That's called brain fog. Sugar gives you quick energy at first, but then it leaves you feeling tired and cloudy. For clear thinking, avoid consuming excessive amounts of sugar or simple carbs, especially when you need your brain to function at its best. Instead, try eating something healthy, like fruit, nuts, or protein, to keep your mind sharp. Step 3. Organize your space. It's hard to think clearly when your desk or room is messy. A cluttered space often leads to an untidy mind. When you can't find what you need, your brain gets distracted by the thought, "Where is that paper?" or "Where did I put that notebook?" But when your space is clean and organized, your brain feels more relaxed and free to focus. Try this. Clean one small area today, like your desk or nightstand, and notice how much better your mind feels. Step 4. Get better sleep. Clear thinking depends a lot on good sleep. Most people need at least 5 to 8 hours of rest, but it's not just about the number of hours. The quality of your sleep matters even more. If you toss and turn all night, your brain won't recharge fully. To sleep better, try going to bed at the same time each night, keep your room dark and cool, and avoid screens right before bed. A well-rested brain is a clear thinking brain. Step 5. Try meditating. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need candles, music, or special pillows. Just sit down, close your eyes, and pay attention to your breathing. Your mind will wander, and that's normal. When it wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Even 5 minutes of meditation can make your brain feel calmer and clearer. It's like giving your mind a short break so it can come back stronger. Step 6. Resolve your mind irritations. Sometimes, our thoughts feel cloudy due to small worries lingering in the back of our minds. Maybe it's a phone call you keep forgetting to make, or a task you've been putting off. These little irritations sit in your brain and take up space. The solution is simple. Either do the task right away, write it down on a list, or remind yourself that you'll handle it later. Just knowing you have a plan helps your brain relax and think more clearly. Step 7. Don't drink too much alcohol. Some people think alcohol helps them relax and get creative, but too much of it is bad for their brains. It slows your thinking and can even harm your brain over time. If you want to think clearly, limit how much you drink or avoid it altogether. Water, tea, or other healthy drinks are much better choices for a sharp mind. Step 8. Make decisions quickly. Unmade decisions take up a lot of space in your brain. If you keep going back and forth about something, it drains your mental energy. The best way to free your mind is to make quick decisions. Even if you're not sure, choose a time when you'll make the final choice, and stick to it. Once the decision is made, your brain feels lighter and more transparent because it no longer has to keep carrying that weight. Step 9. Get fresh air. When you feel stuck or foggy, step outside and breathe deeply through your nose. Fresh air gives your brain a boost of oxygen, waking up your mind. Plus, a change of scenery can give you new ideas and help you think freshly. Something as simple as opening a window or sitting outside for a few minutes can make a big difference in how clear your thoughts feel. Step 10. Take care of your body. It's hard to think clearly when your body is uncomfortable. If you're too hungry, thirsty, or hot, your brain can't focus well. Make sure you eat enough healthy food, drink plenty of water, and stay comfortable. When your body feels good, your mind has the energy it needs to think clearly and make better choices. Clear thinking isn't magic, it's a habit. You don't need to do all 10 steps at once. Start with 1 or 2, and see how much better your mind feels. Maybe you'll choose to take more walks, get better sleep, or clear up a messy space. Over time, these small actions add up, and your brain will feel sharper, calmer, and more powerful. It's a journey, but the destination is worth it. Remember, your mind is like a TV channel. With the proper steps, you can tune it in and see things anytime you want. Which step will you try today? That's it for today's video on 10 steps to clear thinking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about personal growth and simple ways to live better. And let me know in the comments, which step are you going to start with first?